Yo, what's going on, everyone? Gonna quickly go over this week's watch list. So yeah, thanks for hopping on. Love doing these videos. Gonna make this quick for you guys because not a whole lot is looking crazy today, but kind of break things down on the daily here. Just looking at SPY, and we're still in this channel. If you extend this up, we're still in this channel, kind of hanging around the top, so holding the EMAs. NASDAQ still looking good to break all-time highs soon. Still holding up really nicely. So overall, watching about 7 different stocks going into this week. Other things will pop up on the watch list, which I will cover in this week's recap videos, but this is kind of what I'm watching today and throughout this week. So first thing I'm watching is Tesla. Tesla broke out of this flag last week and then broke this 727 high and then got rejected up here. So just kind of breaking this down in 5 minute. It had a huge gap down pre-market here. So not looking to trade unless it can break above 726 or below 700. If it breaks below 700, I want to see the market going in its direction. I'm going to hold a really tight stop loss because it's broken below 700 a couple different times now, but buyers step in and buy it up. So right here, broke below, got bought up very quickly. Here, broke below, got bought up very quickly. So I just want to be careful with that level, but I do know if we get a break and hold below that level that we should see a dump. So that's the first stock I'm watching. Next thing I'm watching is Amazon. On Amazon, we're kind of in this downward channel here. And waiting to see a break either way here. And then we also have a gap fill on the daily chart. So this is definitely a key level I'm watching here. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this drawing and just kind of watch this level here on the daily, because if we break above here, no doubt we'll see quite a bit of movement. All the way up to like 34.40 is the next resistance. So yeah. But overall, just kind of watch this for this channel breakout and look to play it if we get some momentum. UPST had a crazy week last week, so I'm watching for a continuation on this. So break above 205.19 is when I would enter calls on this. So I had a couple great plays here on this and then here. So let's see if we can get a continuation. Next thing I'm watching is Snow. Snow has been moving pretty nicely here. Consistent uptrend, as you can see here. Consistent uptrend, holding that line there, and continues to make all-time highs. And when it does, we usually see a nice pop, as you can see here. Boom, huge break there. So just kind of waiting for a break above 291.77 to enter calls on this one. Next one I'm watching, and this one's great for smaller accounts as well, is Apple. Last week we got in a swing here and we were wedging here, broke out of the wedge, and now it's looking really nice for an all-time high break at 150. So I would enter this above 149.44 for calls, and I would definitely look to enter it above 150. This is a big entry, so look forward to that. Should be a good break above 150. I know it's had a hard time there before. Next thing I'm watching is Facebook. Facebook, I just want to see a break above 365.78. It looked like it was starting to regain some power last week. We had this massive pullback after this huge push up off news. Now we're hanging out here. It looks like we had like a flag kind of form here. Broke out of there, so now we're just going to see if we can break above this high, and that's when I look to enter, just for a day trade. Next thing I'm watching is AMD, and this is the last thing I'm watching for this week. We're watching this, we have this falling wedge pattern, looks better on the hourly. Broke out of that, nice push up, reject at 110, we're watching that key level. Broke out of 110, and it looks like it's holding now. So we just need to see a break above 111.71 to enter calls for a day trade. Looks overall pretty decent for a swing right now. As you guys know, we entered a swing back here and sold it all the way up here. So I don't know if I'd go pretty heavy in this. I'd probably go light if I do swing it. But it looks decent if we can hold this 110 level, and if the market holds up, may look to enter a swing on this. So that is all, guys. Let me know if there's anything you're watching in the comments below. And I would love to check it out just because I'm always looking for stocks to trade. Especially it seems like it's going to be a pretty dry day, not a whole lot on alert. So yeah,